Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Mangal and I am the final year student of EC Department MLD College Bhilwara. I want to present my training report on web development. I extend my sincere gratitude towards Professor Ritesh Saraswat, Head of Department, and thanks to Assistant Professor Mrs. Abha Singh. The list of content are as follows. Our objective for this training is learn full stack HTML, CSS, SQL, PHP development and build an e-commerce website from scratch. Understand the principles of creating an effective web page, including an in-depth consideration for information architecture. Become familiar with graphic design principles that related to web design and learn how to implement theories into practice. Develop skills in analyzing the usability of a website. What is web development? Web development consists of a particular task associated with developing websites from hosting via internet. Web development is also known as web programming, which involves in creation of dynamic web pages. The web development process includes web design, web content development, client side, server side, scripting, and network security configuration, etc. We can make great career in web development because there is a high demand and pay for web development. Web development can be categorized in two parts: front end, back end. A front end developer is the one who builds the interface and provides the layout as the interface between the back end of the website and the user. Back end developers are those who control the server data and requests. Languages used in front end back end are as follows. In front end we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In back end we have PHP and SQL. Now first HTML, where HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. It is used by developers to define the structure of a web page. Every page that we see on web is written using HTML. Tags: opening tag, closing tag. Opening tag is known as start tag. Closing tag known as end tag. Some tags are follows. P tag used to create a new paragraph. B tag used the character bold. BR tag used to break line in next line. Heading tag used to define headings. In heading tag we have 6 tags from H1 to H6, where H1 tag consists largest font size and H6 have smallest. These are decreasing order. So far, we are created our first project on NetBeans software. Let's be walking through the default code that is present in the index.html file. The first line that we see is the declaration of document type. The statement is enclosed in opening and closing angular brackets. Note that there are exclamation sign before the keyout doc type. The highlighted section that you see on your screen in the comment, adding comments or appropriate places helps to understanding codes. To add comment, start with the angular brackets followed by the exclamation sign followed by 2 dashes. Add comment, text and end with 2 dashes followed by closing angular brackets. Next is HTML tag. Except from the declaration of document type in comment section, entire content of the HTML file is enclosed within HTML tag. Next is head tag. It is the important tag and consideration useful information about the page that is not visible to the users. Title tag that you see here is the defined title or name of the page. This is the overview idea that how we write codes in software. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS file. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed in skin paper or in other media. There are three ways of styling a document: inline, internal, and external. Inline, it is applied a p tag. Internal, it is applied in heading tag. External, popular way of styling, helps to avoid duplication. JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. JavaScript is easy to learn. JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript is a description of programming language that allow us to implement complex features on the web page. PHP. PHP stands for Hypertext Processor. PHP scripts are executed on the server. PHP is free to download and use. PHP is a widely used open source scripting language. What can PHP do? PHP can create open, read, write, delete, and close files on the server. PHP can generate dynamic page content. PHP can collect from data. PHP can send and receive cookies. PHP can encrypt data. PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. PHP can be used to control user access. SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. In SQL, we access and manipulate database. SQL became a stand of the American National Standard Institute in 1986 and of the International Organization of Standardization in 1987. What can SQL do? SQL can execute queries against a database. SQL can retrieve data from database. SQL can insert records, update records, delete records, and create new database. SQL can create new tables in a database. SQL can create stored procedure in the database. SQL can set permission on the table, procedure, and views. Advantages. Advantages of web development: increased mobile traffic, faster mobile development at lower cost, needed less maintenance, faster web pages, less bounce rates, high conversion rates, improved search engine optimization, good branding, easier analysis reporting, improved online browsing experience, improved offline browsing experience. Disadvantages: slower as it runs over the internet, can take longer to develop as they are more complex, as the site of applications have to work on different browsers and different visitors of the browsers. Security risks. Conclusion: the standard tools used to creating the website will ensure that things such as navigation, menus, and layout conform to current practice with which every web user is familiar with. There are many reasons building a website requires that we obtain the right tools and resources. We want to conclude the web designing and web developing searching services are must shoot out can do business. Even small scale business will grow to large extent after creating their business website. There are opportunities available for the students who want to work in the field. Many private and public organizations hire web designers for their online work and website development. Some references are as follows. Thank you.